early hours of Vaikunta Ekadasi, which is also called Mukkoti Ekadasi, very sacred day in the Hindu calendar, is when in the early hours on the banks of the Sapta Godavari river in B.R. Ambedkar Konasima district, just by the side of the Bhimeshwara Swami temple, the Kapileshwar Ghat as it is called, that is where this nearly 100-year Shiva idol was found desecrated by the devotees there, and it quickly escalated into a tense situation because with the idol being desecrated and this place being considered as a Pancharama or one of the five very sacred places for such a temple in Andhra Pradesh, and also called this area in fact is called Dakshina Kashi, we understand, or Varanasi of the south, and that is the kind of importance that this Bhimeshwara Swami temple also has, which was constructed several centuries ago. That is where this desecration had happened, and soon it escalated into protests in that area by local activists as well as by the political parties, and subsequently the district SP Mr. Rahul Meena had deployed 4 to 6 teams. They were looking at the CCTV footage as well to find out what really went wrong. The administration as well as the government in fact taking this very seriously. Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu saying that all the forces should be deployed to get to the bottom of this. Very quickly rituals were also done for purification of the area and a new idol installation following Vedic rituals. That was also done in order to assuage the feelings of the religious people and of the Hindu community there. But luckily for the police, they had a breakthrough looking at the CCTV footage. They were able to identify this person, the suspect, as Neelam Srinivas, and he has now been taken into custody being interrogated by the police. What they understood preliminarily is that there is a dispute with the pujari of the temple regarding certain rituals being done at the temple, and that's the reason why in anger, rivalry, this kind of vandalizing of the Shiva Linga itself was done by this person who has now been taken into custody. So a situation that could have escalated into a communal tension issue in that particular area. In a sense, the damage has been limited now with the identification of the culprit in this particular case. With camera person Nagraju, Uma Sudhir, NDTV.